like you want teacher's attention. Well, I'm the principal of this eternal attention. I hope you had your fun, but son, it's time to ring the bell. Ding, ding. Cinnamon, you're getting way too big for your screen. Now I'm here to drop the punishment. It's gonna be me. Just in case y'all have forgotten who's the motherfucking king of this.